My name is Austin Nichols. I work in the financial industry, and I've been a patient at St. John's Eye Associates since 2020, so a little over 3 years now. So I would say that it wasn't until I started experiencing symptoms of dry eyes that I was, I was taking my eye health for granted. And then having those dry eyes, it just made me realize, wow, there's a lot that I do with my eyes on a day-to-day basis that's very important to me, like everything from my job to my hobbies outside of work. And having to deal with it in such a way that started to impact my life was devastating because it really did take away from a lot of those things that I enjoy and that I do for work. So it was definitely a situation where I needed treatment and I needed to find a solution that was something a little bit more than just putting eye drops in makeup. So it was definitely beyond that at that point. So when I started experiencing symptoms with dry eyes, I would shop around for different doctors that could help me work on the issue. And then what stuck out to me with St. John's Eye Associates is that they spend a lot more time taking a more holistic approach than other doctors that I have seen that, where they really focus on me as a patient and kind of what the root cause of my dry eye symptoms were. And we kind of went from there. It wasn't a matter of just giving me something that's in me way and hoping for the best. They really wanted to understand and take care of the issue at this rate. And that's something that I really appreciate about coming here. That's why I continue to come here, is because they really advocate for me as a patient. And that's something that I really appreciate, something that I can't say that other eye doctors really did for me. I would say my biggest concern is when I was starting to treat my dry eye care is that there wouldn't be a good solution, because my experience had been in the past just when you go to an eye doctor to give you eye drops, and that's pretty much the end of it. There really isn't, at least until recent, there haven't been good treatment options for taking care of dry eyes. So what I was happy to find here at this particular doctor office is that they have a whole array of things and solutions that they use to treat dry eye symptoms. So outside of things like eye drops, they have things like intense pulse light that they can use to treat dry eyes. There is a wide array of different technologies and tools that they have to treat dry eyes. So since I started treatment, it's really something that I don't think about anymore. Nothing that the average person would think about when they're experiencing regular dry eye symptoms from maybe looking at a computer screen for too long. I might use eye drops maybe once or twice a week now, and that's it. So it's back to normal for me, which is something I appreciate, which is something that definitely wasn't before. So I'm happy that it's something that I can kind of put on the back burner. It's just something that I will. For others that are experiencing dry eyes, I would say really be an advocate for your health, work with your doctor, work on finding a solution. And then just if you're feeling like things aren't right or you're not getting the help that you need, don't settle. Keep on looking for the right answers and getting that good diagnosis and finding a good treatment option that will take care of dry eyes, because everybody's dry eyes are a little bit different. There's not like a one good way to treat dry eyes. There are multiple paths that you can use to treat the symptom to dry eyes. So definitely find a doctor or doctors that will work with you on treating your symptoms and your condition back to a place where we're balancing. I would definitely recommend St. John's Eye Associates just because, as I was saying before, they're really big advocates of understanding their patients, treat the condition at its root cause, and I really feel like I'm cared for here. There's anytime I have a question or if I have a concern, it's immediately addressed and taken care of. It is not brushed off at all. So I'm definitely a fan of the staff here and what they do to take care of their patients for sure.